Hi, here are some tips for when you begin your mural. First, you'll want to sketch your idea on a piece of paper. Then you'll want to take a light pencil and an eraser and gently sketch it on the wall to the size that you like. You might want to use a ruler for different aspects of the picture, but freehand looks great too. The next thing you want to remember is all the different kind of materials you might need. So you are going to want to have a drop cloth. You're going to want some painter's tape for the areas that get really close to the wall. I like to use these sponge brushes. Sponge brushes kind of let you spread the paint really smoothly. And then of course, when I need to get into the details, I use a regular paintbrush. So I have a couple different sizes of sponge brushes that I use and a paintbrush. You'll want to remove your switch plates. That's very helpful. And you'll want to go ahead and select some different colors that you can maybe start working on different parts of the mural. You don't have to have all your colors right away, but you'll want to have some of the colors available so that you can work in large chunks at a time. To make working on a mural easier, you want to remove the faceplates off of any of your plugs in the area, and you want to lay down a drop cloth. Also, I like to keep a little wet rag around in case I have any spills, and I am using a lot of different house paints today just because I like the texture better than acrylic on the wall. It's easier to paint over later. So these are just samples that I had gotten in a variety of different colors, and then I'll probably have to order more in the correct colors that I need. It's also helpful to have old clothes on, and I like to have a wet rag or two around just in case I need to wipe up any kind of drips. If you do a mural, I would love to see some of your paintings in the comments.